Hello everyone, welcome to EMP Trading. If you're wanting to learn how to trade, I will be providing a step-by-step guide on how to. So, step one will be what you should focus on learning, plus some essential trader lifestyle rules to build a strong foundation. Step two, we've mostly focused on chart analysis, some price action tips, and some key concepts. Step 3 will be more about trading at a high level with strategy for long-term success. Some of these steps will include multiple phases, which we'll dive into, with plenty of details across this and future videos. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so the first part of step 1 will be to familiarize yourself with some basic terminology. So on the screen now, you'll see just a few definitions you should probably know. Um, while you're reading that, though, I will go over some more good habits. Truthfully, most people don't talk about this enough, but trading is it's a lifestyle, right? And you need a healthy lifestyle, right? So sleep, exercise, and nutrition, right? Um, if you're tired or stressed, you're gonna make bad decisions. Um, truthfully, your body is a temple. You need to treat it like one, and stay at the top of your game, right? So you do need to prioritize your health more than anything else when you're beginning. Get yourself in the right mindset. Try not to, you know, do anything isn't good for you. Um, you have to be prepared for this journey. It's not easy. So discipline, right? You need to stick to your plan no matter what, right? No revenge trading, right? No FOMO, right? What you'll learn is that every trade creates a trade. Every imbalance forms a new imbalance, right? You're never missing anything. Um, Emotional control is huge. If you can truthfully manage your mind like a tool instead of allowing yourself to just go with the flow and lose as much money as possible, man, the world is you see the world in a different view, right? Um, so truthfully try to understand that this is more about emotional control once especially when you get to a high level. Um, Early on, your basic things to start with, right? Terminology, eat healthy, live healthy. I recommend going to the gym. Obviously, it's not necessary, um, especially if you can't, but try to focus on yourself, right? That'll be very important. And why do you want to be a trader, right? What is your goal? Are you here to gamble and hopefully become a millionaire by the end of the week, right? Which I know some people think that way. When I was younger, I mean, I definitely did think that I could do it within a month, right? Um, what you'll learn is that's not true, right? Um, we we all want something from this. Make sure it's positive, right? Gambling isn't positive. If you come into the market with that mindset, you're gonna lose. Um, Now, you can change, right? If that's what first got you interested was the fact that you can make money, that's okay. You can, but it should be for stability in life, right? Not to be super rich within a month, right? Um, Truthfully, that's not what matters anyways. Um, right? So build a long-term goal in trading that is for stability in any kind of sense, right? Do you want to have financial freedom to be better for the world, right? Helping others, stuff like that, right? Um, just don't focus on easy money, right? It's not easy money. You'll learn that. That's okay, right? We're here to learn the skill. You stay dedicated, right? If you're committed, I'm committed to you. Simple as that, right? So yeah, a lot of people will see this chart here and truthfully not understand what any of this means, right? When you're first seeing this, if this is your first time clicking on a trading video or whatnot, right? This is going to seem like a lot, but to a lot of the people I've been working with and mentoring, right? This is simple, simple to digest, right? Comparatively to this, right? This gives us a story. Um, you'll get to learn how to do this in the future. If if you're interested, right? I do have a Discord. More than welcome to join to learn even more. I do go over it live every single day. Um, Trust me in this. Trading is difficult, but it can be precise to the penny, right? This will help you in achieving precision in entry, where you can always have more reward to your risk, right? You'll get to learn about imbalance even more over time. The more you stick with me, the more you learn, right? You'll be able to see better opportunity instead of just up and down or up or down, sorry, you'll be able to see up and down, right? Don't pick a direction, right? Some basic stuff like that. You'll need to understand that the market, nobody can predict it. The only thing you can do is trade what you see. Trade as structure demands, right? That's very important. Don't come into this thinking that it's either bullish or bearish. No, the market is going to go up. It's going to go down. You want to be able to learn how to play both sides, right? Small trades like this, right? Even if it's a few candles, can make you four figures, right? Um, so you trust me on this. You're gonna want to learn how to do this both ways. Learn how to do it with precision, so you can always manage your risk and have the highest reward possible, right? All right. So I think that just about wraps up step one. We will get into step two in the next video. So if you did like this, make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment. All right. Thank you.